Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to create a new MySQL connection using MySQL Workbench. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. This is our favorite MySQL Workbench. Now, first time you're opening this page, by default, you should see a connection here. If you do not see, click on the plus icon, this plus icon. Give a connection name. Suppose I'm giving my name, Sajib. Let's say connection name Sajib. Leave all the settings to their default value. Here, password, click on store in vault. Store the password for this connection in a secure vault. This one. Now, type the password you set for admin user. Click OK. Now, click on test connection to check whether it is work or not. Click test connection. Successfully made the MySQL connection. Information related to this connection: host, port, user, SSL. Click OK. Click OK. Now see our new connection. Connection name is Sajib. Now click on the Sajib. Check whether it is work or not. Select star from. Select star from. I'm using this database CSC dot table name student. Execute the selected portion. See, it's works. It works. Our new connection is working. I hope that you understand how to create a new MySQL connection using MySQL Workbench. Thank you very much for watching this video.